Welcome to my Jamaican YouTube channel. On this channel, I take you on a journey to explore the vibrant and rich culture of Jamaica. Whether you're a Jamaican living abroad, a curious traveler, or simply a lover of Caribbean culture, you've come to the right place. From our mouth-watering cuisine and infectious music, to our colorful festival and fascinating history, I showcase the best of Jamaica and give you an insider's look at our beloved island. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to experience the warmth, beauty, and spirit of Jamaica through my videos. Let's get started. Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Today we are going on a culinary journey like no other. We're in the streets of South Florida, Fort Lauderdale to be exact, and there is a food truck in the neighborhood. It's called Authentic Jamaican Jerk Company. Quite a long name. Guys, let's see what we can find out. Good day, how are you?
I'm good, I'm wonderful. How are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks. I see you're selling Jamaican jerk chicken and jerk pork.
Absolutely. The best jerk chicken and jerk pork you can get outside of Jamaica.
Yes, so you have been selling here for a while?
Well, we have a jerk spot in Jamaica that's been open since 1990. And
in Jamaica?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Okay.
And we just decided recently to get into this venture, so.
Okay. And how has it been going?
It's wonderful. A great reception. You know, we have our authentic product because we use a wood-fired smoker to do our jerk. And this morning, this afternoon on the smoker, we have warmer boxes and so forth. Yeah.
So it's freshly cooked?
Yes, absolutely.
It's freshly cooked. Support. How has the support been going?
Oh, wonderful.
Yes.
We got folks coming out all the time. We love our repeat customers.
Oh, great. So what do you have on your menu?
We have jerk pork, jerk chicken, barbecue ribs, and served with either festival or hard dough bread. We also have roast corn and string beans at times, but we don't have any roast corn today.
Okay. Awesome. And you say you've been doing this for a while?
Yeah, well, no, this is a recent venture, but we do have a jerk center in Jamaica that's been operating since 1990.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. Awesome. So for persons who are interested in supporting your business, what directions you would give them to find you? How would they find you?
Absolutely. You could go to Instagram and you can look for Authentic Jamaican Jerk, or you can give us a call at 954-471-7196 or send us a text message. But we are at Commercial and 441 every Friday.
Okay, Commercial and 441.
4977 State Road 7.
Okay, and then they could find you and they would have to come in and purchase.
Absolutely.
Okay, all right. Thank you so much. Any words you have for persons who are interested in supporting you?
Just come out and get a piece of this pork or this chicken and have a taste, and you'll definitely come support.
Awesome. Thank you. Okay.
With a line.
Yes, ma'am.
We're taking care of these folks right here.
Okay,
You guys have a wonderful day.
Thank you. Okay. Bye.